Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make white sauce for lasagna Filipino style. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients. You will need 1/4 cup of butter, 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, and 2 cups of whole milk. Don't forget your seasonings: salt, ground black pepper, and a tiny pinch of nutmeg. This foundational sauce is crucial for a delicious lasagna. Now, let's create the essential roux. In a medium saucepan, melt 4 tablespoons of butter over medium heat until it's fully liquid. Once melted, gradually whisk in 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Continue whisking constantly for about 2 minutes. This process cooks out the raw flour taste and forms a smooth, pale yellow paste, which is the base of our creamy sauce. Next, we'll transform our roux into a luscious white sauce. Gradually pour in 2 cups of cold milk, whisking vigorously the entire time. This continuous whisking is key to preventing lumps and achieving a perfectly smooth consistency. Once all the milk is incorporated, season your sauce with about 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper. A tiny pinch of nutmeg is also a great addition. Finally, let's bring our white sauce to perfection. Continue to simmer the sauce over medium-low heat for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring frequently until it reaches your desired thickness. It should coat the back of a spoon nicely. Always taste and adjust the seasonings as needed. For more great kitchen tips and other deals, check the description below, including a link for the Echo Dot smart speaker. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.